Hello everyone and welcome to CC's Crafty Life. I thought I would record this. I was gonna show the whole thing and I forgot and started on it. This is a saddle for a tombstone or for your mailbox. I took some garland, Christmas garland, and I put it all around, and I used my homemade pins. These are stems from flowers. And that's what I put in here to hold them down. And now I'm working on this mesh. I've put the mesh in. I'm going to put a white bow in it. And then I have these flowers to put in them. And I'm thinking about using these for fillers. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now I got this mesh, red mesh, because this is for Christmas. And I am just kind of making and eyeballing about how far I want it. And I'd say it's about 4 to 5 inches. And then I bunch it up like this. And I put my floral pin in. My buddy's in here helping me out. I have to spread this back out. Okay, it's in there. And I have all this done now. And as you can see, I've got it all down in through this. So I'm going to take these flowers and I'm going to cut them all different lengths. Move. Sorry, my cat isn't behaving. I've put her in the bed in there, and she comes right back in here. Even when the dogs are out, which I put the dogs up too. Too many critters. And I always push up the stem, and I cut some close and some not. Because I don't want it all the same length. But these are some pretty flowers that I found at Walmart. This one kind of long. This one kind of long. But you make them all different lengths, and some of them are kind of bent. So bend them however you want them. And just remember, if you cut them long, you can always cut them off. But if you cut them short, you're going to have to do something else. And I have this, so let's start. I'm going to start from me, and I'm trying to only go in styrofoam, and I'm going to come this way or that way. I'm not going straight in. Pull this down so that y'all can see this. It's hanging on my sweater. And I'm going to start by putting in some of these big ones. And you can go through this mesh, just make sure you like go in between the little squares in it. And I'm not putting my fillers in right now, I'm putting my flowers in. I'm going to bring this out some. I'm going to put in here. Keep me from putting everything in one side. That's why I turn it. That's what I did with that. I love these things right here. I'm going to try to put this over here. And another one right here on the edge. And then I have some more flowers that I'm going to cut. And after I get these cut, I'll be right back. car. And like I said, I might scrunch these down a little bit. And I've got some pine cones that I hold it there for a few minutes. And I've got this big Christmas ball. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to take a longer stem. I left some here. And I'm going to take a longer stem because I want this one to set up. And what I'm going to do is just stick it in there, but I'm going to put hot glue down in there first. And I'm going to let that dry. Right, oh, this one that I used for something. And I'm going to take this thing out of it. And I'm going to do the same thing. And 2 was all that I could find. I'm trying not to buy any more Christmas until after Christmas, and they put on their after Christmas sale. That I glue all over the top. And you just stick this on there and kind of, if it wants to lay to the side, I let it. And then I set it over here to dry. Make sure that that does good. Turn. Let's see what I have over here in my box of goodies. I have a bale. And I'm going to put it over in here somewhere. Now since this has, it's an ornament, I think I'm going to get one of these sticks and glue that on. Here's one. And glue that on there and wrap it like that. And I'm going to glue that on. Careful not to glue me on. There we go. And let it set. And I'm going to put it, kind of at the top. To move some of this stuff out of in here. There we go. And I'm kind of slanting it a little bit. And then I'm going to put, now here is my green. Put this down here. And let's see, I have to keep turning y'all too. I think I'm going to put this one right in here. Now I'm going to make it up a little bit straighter than the rest. Right up there is some styrofoam I can get into. I'm just turning this up, and then I'm going to turn this other one up. And then I'm going to put some glue on it. And I'm going to set that over to dry. Now this should be ready. And I got to find a spot. And there it is. To get it in there. And as you can see, that's I'll put it in here. Okay, so I added a few more flowers to this. And I went in there and found some. I thought holly berries would look good in this. And I'm going to just cut the ends off this and see what it will look like. I like the bunch. And I thought about it, you know, just kind of spreading it out like this. And I want it in the end. I got some space. I should have space. There we go. And then here's some more holly I got. Thought I had a lot more than I did, but I've used it. And again, I'm going to just use the whole bunch. So I'm just going to cut this at an angle, so it will stick in the styrofoam. And I'm going to put it over here on this side. And I'll turn this so that everyone can see it. My desk is getting small. So that you can see where I put that holly there on the end. Here are the saddle ends, which goes across this way. I'm going to put some stuff on this. I have this one. This one's kind of got ridges on it, so I'm going to have to be careful. Just move this stuff out of the way. And I'll find me some styrofoam to stick that in. And that should make it not want to come. And I have just one of these. So I'm going to cut this up. Skewer. And I